Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove item from Amazon cart. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Sometimes when shopping on Amazon, it's easy to get swept away by the many products available on the platform. You might add product to your Amazon shopping cart and later realize you don't really need or want some of them. However, you don't need to worry because Amazon allows you to remove items from your cart. So here's in the video, we'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. And now I will start to add this product to my cart. Maybe for example, add to my wish list. And if you want to remove item from your cart, you can just go to the cart section in here. So here's all the item that you saved on your cart. If you want to remove, you can just tap on delete. Now you have delete that product from your cart. And if you want to add another product, you can just add to move to cart. Maybe this product 2. And you can remove it anytime you want from your cart on Amazon. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove item from Amazon cart. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.